It's Sunday morning. Just wanted to show y'all how I got these big trees, these fig trees. It's been raining for the last few days, and I was outside and I noticed these fallen figs. They've been on the ground for a while now, but this morning, look at them. They all got this white stuff. I don't know what it is. A fungus? It's tripping me out. I've never seen this. Look at it. I woke up with a sore throat this morning, people. All this rain makes you think what's inside of it. I mean, come on, what is that? That's on the old figs. Those are the old figs that have been on the ground for months. And now something's growing on them. Some kind of type of fungus. I've never seen that. Man, I hope we're not getting the disease. Plagues and pandemics. Yeah. Let's see what our sun looks like. Ugh. That's us right there, man. Y'all get ready. I really believe that we're gonna see some calamities this week, if not on 9/11 or tomorrow evening. Y'all keep aware of y'all's surroundings, people. Yeah. What was in the damn rain to make it do this? It's crazy. Craziness, man. Don't let nobody steal your crown. Don't lose your faith. We are going to be tested. God bless everybody.